Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this.
Society. No! You want people to squat. You just want squatter politics. You want to encourage people to squat. That's what you want to do. Instead, you encourage people and let them learn and get skills and training. That's not what you want. No, you didn't come to Eastern St. Thomas, come to Pira to see what the government of Jamaica has planned. I came to you and I welcomed you on this property, thinking that you wanted to see the beautiful beaches, but that's not what you wanted. You wanted to make it seem as if we have a conflict with the people of Pira. Well, we don't have a conflict. We are all one here in Eastern St. Thomas. I'm the Member of Parliament for everybody. PMP, JLP, and no P. And we are going to develop it. Instead, you come to Eastern St. Thomas and look at the highway and see what we're doing as a government. No, you don't want to see the highway. Did you come to St. Thomas to go to Bath Botanical Gardens? No, you didn't want to go there and give the little people there that are massaging you and patronize them. No, you did not want to do that. You did not want to go there and give them funding and inspire them to continue. You didn't want to see Bath Botanical Gardens. No, you don't want to do that. You didn't go to the lighthouse. No, you didn't want to do that. You didn't go and check out Lyson Beach. You didn't go to Morant Bay and see where Paul Boga statue used to be, so you can encourage us to get Paul Boga statue back. No, what you did, you jump in your car with your team of people, come to Eastern St. Thomas to stir up and cause rift for you to bring somebody who don't live in Pira to come and say the Charles family has stolen land. Nobody in Pira believes that. But you cause people to not want to invest. That's what you do. You try to make us lose investors. I'm standing here in front of the barbed wire fence with the cows. Look at these fabulous cows. Look at the barbed wire fence. It's not built to stop people from going on the beach. It's built to keep these cows in line. That's what it's built for. But no, you don't do your due diligence, leader of the opposition. You just jump on anything and talk foolishness. That's what you do. I think when you have a law degree, the first thing you should do is do a little investigation. Do a little investigation, no? No, you never did that. The Charles family put up the barbed wire fence to lock in people from going to the beach. Really? These are the cows. We're trying to lock them in because we don't want them to drown. That's the reason why. And frankly, it's not even our barbed wire fence. So you got that wrong. Again, you continue to get things wrong. That is the reason why the majority of the People's National Party don't want you as a leader. I can understand now. That's why they don't want you. The majority of the PMP don't want you as a leader because you don't even do minor things like due diligence. Minor things like checking things out. Yeah, that's why you could never walk, not even in the shadow of Andrew Michael Holness. Never. Because the least he would do is pick up the phone and call someone who lives in Pira and ask them the question. But you are going to come on national TV, all over social media, and pull me out and draw me out as a member of parliament. That's not for the people. You don't know this member of parliament. I am for the people of Eastern St. Thomas. I'm for development. of Eastern St. Thomas. And nothing you do or come with your ton of people from town, wherever constituency you come from, and come in here was going to disrupt our future. You might have made us lose one investor that had planned to come to Jamaica this weekend because it's some holiday weekend over there. And they're not coming because you want to invite the public prosecutor to come. Instead, you call the public prosecutor to come and look at the farmlands that she is negotiating for with the people of Eastern St. Thomas and help them to settle their leases. That is what a leader would do. No, you don't do that. You don't come and check out the farmland for the farmers. You don't do that. No, you don't check out the fishermen to find out what's the problem that they're having. No, you don't come St. Thomas to help the fishermen them. You don't come St. Thomas to look at the highway. You don't come to St. Thomas to uplift us. You come to St. Thomas to incite violence and to cause problems and conflict. But they know who their member of parliament is. They know who they voted for, and they know that I will never give up, and I will continue to fight for the people of Eastern St. Thomas. And they also know that my father loves the people of Eastern St. Thomas, and he has never done anything to harm them. 28 years of UNO has done nothing for St. Thomas but caused us to be a forgotten parish. Well, we will no longer be a forgotten parish. We are happy to see the back of the People's National Party here, and we are going to develop it thanks to the Prime Minister of Jamaica, the most honorable Andrew Michael Holness. We are going to have the Morant Bay Urban Center. We're going to have thousands of jobs. Did you come to see the spot of the Morant Bay Urban Center? No. You couldn't come to do that. No. You come. Jump in your car. Lost how much time can you ever ask people where you're going? Call me and tell me. Lost.
Yes, I. Yeah, see if everything will work right. Somehow feel like something is missing. I hope not. You see. Some could say greetings once again at the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I I. You see. Welcome all viewers and subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed as yet and you like the content, just press the subscribe button. You see, no idiot, but you see, if the word subscribe up and red, that means we haven't, connected. You see, but if we connect, just press the red and make it go up on black. You see, enough respect. Yes, I. So, you don't know over time, I think I've established my my overprotectiveness of the female gender amongst us. You see? Yeah, I think so. You see? You don't know enough. A woman me grow around. You see? Woman me used to power in my early days and things like that, and see, I love the female them. So, that video is not in any way, shape, or form to generalize and disrespect to the feminine gender. See. But, Andrew Holness, you need to bridle your damn jackass. You need to bridle that jackass. Where you have a run up and down out of St. Thomas and that. Like, I must have choose so much cane farming going out there, you release a jackass out the Rasta. I need that to take St. Thomas people for hire. Reigning Michelle Charles. She's no longer a political liability. She's a national disgrace, Rasta. See, all I and I embarrassed from over here, so I and I stand. See, she embarrassed the whole thing, man. She discredit the female ability for design things. She diminish the maternal aspect of the female ability. See, because evidence say she have an ulterior motive. We do go on out of St. Thomas there. See, because she do a new video, she released a new video where I try to download it, but me look like some some sick link she posted pan where nobody can get to download it. So what I do, I share the link in the description anyway, whether or not we get to download the video eventually. You see it. But in a fair argument is like she basically say Kingston people, the opposition leader carry go out there figure stir up vibes the other day. When in fact all of the people there are people in the crowd who are from St. Thomas, who are from the actual area in question, in contention. You know, so what I say? So that's a very very misleading piece of argument where she come in at the public media, come let off recently. That's after me do the last video, that's the other day. You know see it. You know see it. So basically then as a representative with Jamaica voting and things like that, when she come and behave them way in the public, she disgrace the whole Jamaica, our whole entire ability in regards to who we choose, our choices, you know see it, for leaders and things like that. You know see it. So it's an insult to us as Jamaican entirely. And me a call for her dismissal from public office Rasta. You know see it. It's like a buy for her father, buy for her dissertation, them for see get for her doctorate. Me don't understand that. Because them butter years argument the way she walk around and make live. Like she Ivani would have done far better than that Rasta. You know see it, like I said, I'm skitty this way of pan our hand. You know see it. Raining, yo, put on a bridle pan the donkey there, man. You know see it. You know, and this is not about no party night, it's about Jamaica, man. Can't have a, you know see it. And we know she know better. You know see it. And she rather bring down her own character and why she have fair eye, why she protect so much. Why she can quiet, why she put their personal feelings over the interest of the party and all, man. You know see that? You know see that? I can't allow that, man. A big disrespect, a big idiot, a big impropriety, that's unprofessionalism, you know, the highest farm Rasta. You know see it? You can't allow them things, man. You know see it? Like woman go to school go get big university education for come win chasing argument pan corner again. And that me say I go on here. So you know see, like it's a pretty dunce this kind of woman pretty, you know, pretty black woman, you know. We're supposed to exude a certain level of intelligence, you know, see it, which was accredited to her, as a matter of fact. You know see it. Michelle Charles, man, a donkey of the day Rasta. I hear that thing that you and your father are perpetrate on the people of St. Thomas. No, man, I am convinced, Rasta, say you have something for hide, man. You know see, and I am very disappointed. You know see, I mean just hope the people, observe and pay attention to what go on, you know, because you're not supposed to run back in a politics neither, you know. And this is not a liberal GLP thing. We can't have them people here, behave them we are in a public and them I represent we as our leaders across the world. What sort of expectation you think people we are invited to in them country have of us? You know, look like so we still down in the cane field Rasta. You know see it? No man, Mr. Charles, man, you come open a keg of worm, you know, man, because you make somebody come tell me about all the time now when your father invite the people them out there, our meeting, because the people them striking at the cane field, and your father bring gangster go out there, go beat the people them Rasta. You know see, we're going to talk about that another day. You know see, but you do more damage than good. You know see, you do more damage not just to your father and him estate. You know see, but you do damage also to the political party. You do damage to the entire politics of Jamaica. You know see, you show so there is no consequence. There is no repercussion for no impropriety. And you don't even have to use your imagination. That's how degrade or degraded the level of Jamaican intelligence are. You see it in your eyes. You see it. It's like we are toddler. You see it. Me as people are saying your father coping that. Why you even do that for? Why you even do that new video your for? You know, sister, GLP needs some serious PR people, man. I want to not listen. I don't have secret for one another, so I just do one do I expect. This cronyism go and protect you all along. You know, see the question where you like I and I ask. A time for no sharpen up now, man. Or move up. You see it? It's unacceptable, man, for a public figure come and behave them way on social media. I tell them, all people lie there. Why if you have a hearing you know, where you have to swear upon the Bible and things like that? Oh, you have to counter them claims there where you make in an electronic document. Donkey of the day. Oh, you have to counter them claims when I be a liar tell. Firstly, you say the opposition leader come out there to come incite political argument when in fact he was invited by the people of the community in contention to come observe the practices and principles of your parents and yourself. You see it, you have brought a conflict of interest into the whole equation the moment you open your mouth in defense of your parents. You should be in defense of the public, regardless of how hypocritical your actions might be. You see it, your words, the public should be in defense of the people who employed you to do a particular job. You see, you have forfeited the agreement and the terms of your employment. You see it, so you should have been immediately dismissed. Again, we don't see how you still exist in our politics this week. You see, and you feel like so well it's like nobody not sit down with you and raise now the whole reality of your disgrace. You see, like them just let you loose again. You come like, I wonder if it's a planting for your own party, get rid of you. Because them are a public relations disaster. You see, and like nobody now pay attention to your going-ons. You see it? You see it? Some may call upon Andrew for bridle the donkey Rasta cause all me, you're embarrassed. All me, I get involved, I get embarrassed now by the whole thing. I mean, the whole of we are Jamaican Rasta. She come like a pretty dunce, man. You see it, her argument and her attitude are call into question her education. Where she get it? All of them things you know would have to go all the way back to Fair University to go and investigate and all of them things there, to ensure that this girl there is real and not buy, she buy her place, her credits. You see it? Not acceptable, man. This is stupidness. The highest farm, Rasta. How could we expect or appreciate, action like them there? I mean, if you expect people if you accept them type of thing, the Rasta, I mean, what kind of, you can't be promising, you can't mean nothing. You can't be a meaningful entity in the life of poor people, Rasta. If I them if I them expectation they have of the people, if I them low level intelligence there, yeah, imply upon the people in order for pull the wool over them eye regarding the land there. For you just take what you have and back off and know say boy, say I eat this, but you take time to dry out a lion mouth. St. Thomas people are eat that? You think St. Thomas people are eat that? You don't accept that, Michelle Charles. You see it? We don't accept that, Rasta. We don't even know if I'm skitty that they are blabber mouth or is a active member of parliament in a political representation today. You see it? Where the professionalism there, where the tact there, where the decorum there. And apart from all of these things, yeah, with the damage control there, somebody never tell you, say, the first interview where you do, where you go just up in your green, you know, see the review, the reaction from the crowd, you know, say, it's a negative reaction you get. It's a time for damage control. Everything where you do after that must be a damage control that you claim say you go do. And where you learn your just political tactics and strategy from, who mentor you. Oh, your father, no. Yeah, I think when I see a man that we call Jamaican youth them the other day, I say a rum and ganja them want to go on him land go smoke. You see, the same one who claims for 500 years no one not sure no farmer receipt fee. You see, because usually at them type of ages that them type of property there in a people holdings, you see, a generational type of thing. You see, so it's questionable because we can question it right now. How you come by that? You see, we have legal rights to be concerned. The people know so no one land out, the people could think of it's a 1 or a 10 or a 20 year how much. You see, nobody now look say a half a St. Thomas alone own. How is that not questionable? And you're gonna make it look like say a political game people are trying to use with your father good name, your parents them good name, you go up on public media go embarrass yourself. You remind me of an escort where some man carry a nice, pretty elegant escort where some man carry a certain function and tell them shut up. Just smile and wave. Smile and wave. And that you fit do. You see, you just a face, Rasta. You're pretty, not telling a lie. And it's so disappointing. You see, because we experience and we see people like you all the while. You see, just bare shell and no substance. It's a disappointment to the bedroom regardless of their performance because you can't hold a reasoning with them after. You have to light all a cigarette to make you shut up and all them things there. You see, because the question them when they are asked rather infuriating than relaxing or even sexy or stimulating. You see, because you infuriate me, Rasta. All the way until you open your mouth, I'm infuriated. You're stimulating, and there is so much lie where you could have tell Rasta. Where make I just know say, and get tricked by your because you're pretty. Mama that all me right at the way I'm disappointed and vexed. You see, you're pretty dunce, Rasta. Disappointment that man. You're pretty dunce. Like a shell. You see. Come like a girlfriend where you just want to tell her, say, just smile and wave, don't talk. One of them wonder where you take her years before you introduce her to your parents, because you know where your mother are going to say. When you're done, say you have to wait till you all breathe her 2 times and then wait there. Say your mother. Your mother don't say, you can't run her again and get her bad vibes, gosh, you have to. No disrespect. This is not a diminishment of strong, powerful female, you know, Rasta. You see, but yeah, me call out man same way we are dopey. So me have to call, me not busy with the feminists them when I say this is the like me say, most of my friends them I've got, you know, anybody will say that. Put your eye, you know some Jenny, not true. You know say Serena, you see some sing your prayers every day. Lisa Smith, you see it. You see, Jano, me I get embarrassed, you know, because I don't want the item feel like, say, me a go at woman, you know. This is not me love woman, I'm a strength, you see. Yeah, woman always fighting, I'm a kind of family, youth to come up, so that's why I man feel away when I see woman I embarrass themselves because I know the strength and the virtue of woman, you see. So it particularly affect me when I see, you know, I see a woman a behave, you know, in a capacity beneath herself. You know, see, regardless, Michelle Charles was supposed to do and act like Miss Kitty. Or she even act worse than Miss Kitty. You know, see, she gonna do live and them things like she knock her like she and her mate here chase and all them type of thing. We don't, you know, that we don't expect that. We don't want that from it. I better you just smile and wave, Michelle Charles. Just smile and wave, Rasta. Just don't say nothing, man. Just don't say nothing. You see, just smile, man, and just wave, Rasta. Just don't do that. You see, that possibly would ensure another term in a office. You see, rather than you come do this big disgraceful thing. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, Rasta, so that them can go check out the video for themselves. You see, because I don't know that. I try download it with everything when my boy come like just say the URL, I can't access it. You see, that's how them things they go. But no, man, I'm disappointed. Not as a Rasta man, not as a man, you know, but as a Jamaican. You see, because I'm disappointed as a man now. What you call it, you know, objectify her, in a way, you know. But I am a man and she is very, very attractive. You know, see? And it's not, I'm not just attracted by a face or a physique. I'm attracted by the stimulation we get from my partner. You know, see? That too. That added to when, you know, I feel like say you can go, just come, yeah. You know, see? Yeah. That's why things tough, fair, like, you know, see, no disrespect, but yes, Rasta, you see, you know, it's disappointing to I as a man in another way as well, and as a Jamaican, when we know say, woman them usually, it's strong and be honest, you know, what them representation because them not like shame and embarrassment, you know, see, first of them not talk. But the thing, them keep it to themselves. You see? So when we see Michelle jump and I go and say, you know, Rasta, you know, I don't appreciate that, man. You see? I just hope say, you know, no phone video, no road video or no road picture out there will soon come out. I just hope that. You see? Because that further embarrass the whole of us as Jamaican, Rasta. You see? Prime Minister need for muzzle him, well, I'm not going to say muzzle your dog, but I'm going to say, bridle your jackass, Rasta. Bridle your jackass, because a jackass is me say I go on this. You know, see, anyway, enough respect. Share, like, and subscribe, you know, see.